Okay, so moving on to the examples. First, we're going to start with independent. So number 1 says, what is the probability of a red cube and a white cube, both numbered 1 through 6, both landing on 3, if you know that the white cube landed on 3. So remember, since it's independent, they do not affect each other. So we're just going to find the probability that the red cube is going to land on 3, since we already know the white cube landed on 3. So remember, there's only 6 options on a cube, and we want a 3, which is only one option. So therefore, it's only going to be 1 out of 6. If you turn that into a percent, it's going to be 16.7%. Remember, these do not affect each other at all, since they're independent. So number 2, what is the probability of both cubes landing on odd numbers if you know that the white cube landed on 3? So again, these do not affect each other. So let's just find the probability of landing on odd numbers for one cube. So 1 through 6, we have 1, 3, or 5. So that's going to be 3 options out of 6, which is going to simplify to 1/2, which is 50% as a percent. Number 3, what is the probability of a penny, dime, and quarter all landing on tails if you know that the quarter and penny landed on tails? So again, these do not affect each other at all. So since we already know the quarter and penny landed on tails, we need to find the dime landing on tails. So only 2 options we have are heads or tails. So again, that's just 50%, which is the same as 1/2. Number 4, what is the probability of all 3 coins landing on tails if all you know is that the quarter landed on tails? So we have 3 coins, and we already know that 1 landed on tails. So we need to find the 2 other coins. So the probability of 2 coins. So again, they're 50% each. So the first coin is going to be 50%. Second coin is going to be 50%. And remember, when we use the word and, we multiply at this intersection. So we're going to do 1/2 times 1/2, which is going to give us 1/4 or 25%. We need to find the probability of both of those coins because a total of 3 coins, but we already know 1. So that's why we did 1/2 times 1/2 to get 1/4.